Say the word hacker, and most people conjure up pictures of some misfit loner who never follows the rules and can access even the most sensitive information with a few clicks on the keyboard. Many people have two ideas of what hackers are: either criminals out to steal their private information, or people who just want to cause chaos. The truth is somewhat different. While there are hackers out there who do use their skills to steal information or to cause chaos, that is not what hacking is really about. Hacking is about testing systems with the intent of finding weaknesses. It's more about problem solving and, when used within the law, can be an extremely useful security exercise. Hacking is a modern-day art form, and as such, generally misunderstood. Dedicated hackers are constantly working on refining their skills and looking for ways to improve the efficiency of systems. Most hackers believe that information should be freely available and buck against any system that gets in the way of this. The so-called hacker ethic entails valuing logic as its own type of art form, promoting the free access to information and overcoming the boundaries of conventional systems. In some cases, this is going to entail activities that are, by their nature, somewhat illegal, but nonetheless well-intentioned. So, while hacking into a company's system is illegal, if you're doing it to expose weaknesses for them, you're working with good intentions. It allows them to improve the system and make it less prone to future attacks. And yes, as with anything else in life, there are hackers that are not nearly as ethical. Hackers who do aim to cause mayhem in systems and steal information for their own benefit. Hackers who take over systems and then make the owners pay to regain control. This book is not intended for hackers like that. This book is aimed at the ethical hacker, a hacker that embraces what hacking was originally about. In this book, we assume that you already have some idea of the basics of hacking, such as gathering information, etc. We will go into hacking techniques in more detail so that you can start to apply them and start to gain experience for yourself. The goal of this book is to expand on the basics and to inspire you to start looking at ways to improve the current techniques available, or even to start developing your own. The aim of this book is to get you excited about hacking again and to help you to develop your own interpretation of the art of hacking.